Hello, and welcome to Zenori Digital. Today, I'm excited to show you our fully automated Google Sheets academic tracker, designed to help students stay organized and never miss an important deadline. Let's start with the Setup tab. This is where everything begins. Simply enter your name, classes, assignment types, priorities, and statuses. You can also add important dates and even motivational quotes that automatically appear throughout your calendar. Now, let's move to the assignment tracker. This is the heart of the system. At the top, you'll find a live dashboard showing your total assignments, assignments in progress, completed work, and overdue tasks. Interactive charts give you a clear overview by class, assignment type, and status. Below that, smart panels automatically display what's due today, upcoming assignments, and upcoming projects, all sorted by due date. The main tracker lets you manage every assignment with priorities, statuses, helpful icons, and a days left counter that instantly highlights overdue work, making it easy to stay on top of every deadline. Next is the to-do list. It works just as intelligently for your daily tasks. Simply check off completed items, and they automatically receive a strike-through, so you can instantly see what's left to do. Now, let's look at the monthly calendar. Choose any month and year, and the calendar builds itself automatically. Your assignments and daily tasks appear on the correct dates, important events are displayed at the top, and busy days are highlighted so nothing gets overlooked. Here's the book tracker. Keep track of your reading by class, author, and reading status. Your reading progress updates automatically, and completed books are clearly marked to help you monitor your goals. Finally, we have the habit tracker. Because academic success starts with consistent habits. Set your daily habits, define monthly goals, mark your progress each day, and watch your weekly and monthly statistics update automatically. The built-in Top 10 Habits leaderboard adds extra motivation to help you stay consistent. And that's the complete system. 6 fully connected tabs working together to simplify your academic life and save you valuable time. If you'd like your own copy, you'll find the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Zenori Digital, and I'll see you in the next video.